guys, I'm Geetansh Aditya, and in this video we are going to solve Meerkat, which is a SOC category Sherlock from HacktheBox. And let's read the scenario. A fast-growing startup, Forella, has been utilizing a business management platform. Unfortunately, our documentation is scarce and our administrators aren't the most security aware. As our new security provider, we would like you to have a look at some PCAP and log data we have exported to confirm if we have or have not been compromised. So let's go ahead and download this zip file. So, Francis. Okay, I've downloaded it. Now let's unzip it. 7ZX. Hack the blue is the password and done. So we have two files here. One is a JSON file, meerkat alerts.json, and another one is meerkat.pcap. So let's first take a look at this JSON file. I'll use mousepad for it. Meerkat.json. Okay, that's a very big file. So I'll close it. I think I won't find anything here. So I'll first take a look at the questions. We believe our business management platform server has been compromised. Please can you confirm the name of the application running? So we have to give the name of the application of that is this business management platform. So first I'll go for Wireshark and let's take a look at this PCAP file. Okay. A lot of traffic, invalid traffic, and I'll do HTTP here. I think that is the name, Bonita uh, slash Bonita slash login service. That is a lot of pages. Actually, we can Google it now. Bonita slash login service. Okay, I got Bonita documentation. Yeah, so the name of the application is Bonita Soft. Bonita Soft. This should be it. Yeah, done. So we believe that the attacker may have used a subset of brute forcing attack category. What is the name of the attack carried out? Okay. For this, I'll take a look at this HTTP string. So install and then post request on forella.com, then password. Okay, so that seems like a regular password. Let's take a look at other requests, same post request, and there seems to be a lot of install in the username and password to a post request, and then followed by a regular username and password. Yes, so I think it is credential stuffing. I think so. Let's do types of web brute forcing. I think this is credential stuffing. Yeah, credential stuffing. So weak password etiquette. I think this one is it is. You can take a look at it on Fortinet or any other. Yes, that is the answer. So does the vulnerability exploited have a CV assigned? So when I searched for Bonita, I saw a CV. So let's do Boni Soft CVE. And yes, there is a CV, and that is for authorization bypass and RCE. And I wanted to visit the actual CVE page. Someone has direct link to it. Bonita Soft, Bonita Web. I'm wondering why is the first CV page not coming in the result. Okay, I think if I click here, yes, this is referencing it. Okay, the reference was not here. Finally. So this is the CV record, and let's copy it. We can actually, when we try to read it, we actually get the string which is used for, I think this is the string for authorization bypass. So there is also a path traversal. So I think this is the string that, let's first paste this one. Okay, the next question is which string was appended to the API URL. Okay, so we already had it. So I'll just copy it, paste here. Quite a coincidence. Now, how many combinations of username and password were used in the credential stuffing attack? So let's go to the Wireshark, and let's first make sure that all of the requests are post requests. So http dot request dot method equals post. Okay, so all of them are now post requests, but there are post requests to this endpoint, and we only want for the where we are using the username and password. We want to know the exact number. So here I'll do an and I'll specify the endpoint where I'm checking for it. So I think it is http dot request dot URI. Yeah, URI double equal slash bonita slash login service. I think this will work. No, it did not work. And then how can we specify it? Bonita slash login service. Yes, we have to enclose it in inverted commas. Now the next step is, okay, we have a lot of this installed in the username and password. We have to get rid of those. So all of this install requests have the exact frame length of 105. So I'll remove that, and frame dot length should not be equals to 105. Okay, now we have all of them, and the total number of packets we can see displayed here is 59. So I think that should be the answer. Okay, it said incorrect flag. Let's check if there are any redundancy. Okay. Okay, for the last three, these last three are redundant. Okay, why are these redundant? We can actually follow. I'll first copy this. and follow it along HTTP string. So I think this one is a success request. This one was successful. That's why this one is redundant. So I'll remove 3 from it, and this one is a successful request. So I'll try with 56. Yes, 56 it is. And which username and password combination was successful? So this one was successful. I'll go ahead and copy these values, copy value, and paste. Okay, it copied entire thing. Yeah, I only need this value. Copy value and a colon followed by password. Copy value. Submit. Yes. Now the next step is, if any, which text sharing sites did the attackers utilize? And let's take a look at it in the HTTP. Okay, so after all these post requests, after these are 200 requests, and let's go down. Let's check if there are any of the other sites mentioned here. And there is no other site mentioned. There is a Ubuntu. I saw it here. This one, this request, paste.io. So I'll go ahead and I think it just needs the name, so I'll do paste.io. Then it is asking, please provide the file name of the public key used by the attacker to gain persistence on our host. So for this, I think I'll have to use I'm not sure about it. I think I'll have to use this paste.io. Let's go ahead and copy it. Get request URL, query, and this one. I'll copy the value, use mousepad, and yes. So now I'll try sending this request. Let's check if this works, else we'll have to look somewhere else. Open terminal here. Okay, this worked. It saved the file, and let's cat this file. Let's see the contents of it. Okay, this is a bash file, and it then calls another file. I'll copy it, and yes. So what was the actual question? The actual question was, please provide the file name of the public key. So this is actually a public key, I think, because it is then saving it in the authorized keys in the SSH, and then it is starting the SSH. So that is the file name. Only not this. I have to select it and copy. Yeah, submit. Done. And the second last question is, can you confirm the file modified by the attacker to gain persistence? So this file, and submit. And the last question is, can you confirm the meta technique ID of this type of persistence mechanism? So let's go to the meta project, meta attack. Let's take a look at the persistence and let's click here. I think this will be in the very first. Yeah, SSH authorized keys. Here we'll just copy this technique ID and submit. And there we have it, guys. We have successfully solved Meerkat. It was a easy Sherlock, but had some tricky things to find, like the Bonita Soft. That was the first one, and the last one was, I was not sure if I had to download the paste.io, but it's better to check all the possibilities. So yeah, this was a good Sherlock. See you guys in the next video.